Hey y'all, and good morning or good afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. I'm back with another brow video, and I'm so excited because this brow stamp that I'm using today is a brow powder stamp, okay? So we're gonna try this. Y'all know I like more of the matte look, so I'm gonna go prep my face and get everything going. So all I could do is test out the brow. I think today I'm gonna test the brow out. I've seen a lot of you guys' question. I think I'm going to do one side with makeup, one side without, so you guys can see how this brow stamp works with both. So I've never tried this before. This is all going to be brand new to me and you. So let me go get everything. I'll be right back. All right, so I just washed my face. It's very dry. I haven't put any moisturizer or anything on it. This is the container of the brow powder. I am going to do one side of my face with primer and some foundation, just so we can kind of see what it would look like on top of makeup. And the other side of my face I'm gonna leave bare because honestly most days I do not wear makeup. So I usually just have some type of moisturizer and that's it. So this is the little applicator or the little spoolie that came in here. And then it also has a slant tip, the little flat brush for brow powder. And this is the container that it comes in. It's with me, I think is how you say it. I got the color dark brown. Okay, is it focusing? There we go. Come on now. Come on now. Dark brown. Can y'all see that? Okay, dark brown. All right, so I got dark brown. It has a little mirror at the top. Let me peel that sticky stuff off. So I guess that's so you can see. Oh, that's a good mirror. Y'all see me? I'm recording on my iPhone in case you didn't know. Oh yeah, it's a very nice mirror. So you pull off the top of the mirror, I believe is what you flip it. Okay, so you flip the top and then there's gonna be your powder. And then you pull here. And then I believe that's how you actually apply the powder to your brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do on bare face, no nothing. Let's just see what happens, okay? And then it also comes with these stencils. So let me see what stencil looks good with my shape of face. I'll go ahead and show you guys them just because we're here anyways. So it also comes with these right here. I'm not really sure what they are, but I'll look and figure that out at a later time. It comes with these, maybe for measurement, I don't know. And then it comes with these stencils. Y'all, I'm starting to think this is a MADLUV dupe because these look identical to the MADLUV brow shapes. You can come in, baby. Come on in, y'all. Y'all, this is my baby. So this is, close the door. Come in. So it has these shapes and they're in Roman numerals. So I'm gonna start from beginning to end because I like to do things in order. You have to pop out the little pieces though, y'all. So this is what the one looks like. It's nice. It's nice. I actually kind of like it. I'm gonna put this to the side. This is the 2 right here. This looks more like my natural brow, very thin. And so I probably will do this one on this brow because this is the brow that I don't ever wear makeup. You know, I don't typically wear makeup, and I feel like that'll be a super natural look for on days when you want to look like that's your real brow. This is the number 3 right here. I actually like all of these shapes so far. They're actually very nice, and they actually have an arch because a lot of the times I get those rounded ones, and I just, if you watch my channel, you know I don't like the rounded look. So this is a number 4, which I like, I think, the best because it looks like my natural brow, but a little bit more pow. So I'm gonna try this one on the makeup side. And let's see, this is the number 5. So number 5 is nice as well. So I think I'm gonna do the 2 on my non-makeup side, and then I'll do the 4 on my makeup side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go. Let's see how it works on bare skin, nothing extra. So I'm gonna flip this over, get the powder, get this, I think it's foam. Oh yeah, it is a foam. Okay, let's try it and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it now because I don't wanna be trying to do too much. I don't know how this is. Okay, let's see. See what happens. So it says start here at the tail. Brow, place it in the shape. I think that's it. I'll try it like that. Let's see how it goes. I really can't tell if it's depositing or not, but it's less on here, so it must be, because this was way darker. I'm going to tap one more time because I just don't want to lift this and hardly anything's on here. So let's just tap it, tap it, tap it. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's a little bit of a difference, but I mean, in all fairness, I have absolutely nothing on my skin. That's almost too natural for me, so let me put a little moisturizer and then try this again. All right, so now I have moisturized my face, so to give it a little bit of a base of something. Let's try this again. So, which one was I using? I think it was a number 2. So let's try this again with moisturizer, and let's see if I like this look better. So I'm going to line it up on my brow. That's too low. This is the only thing about when you do the thin ones. It's kind of hard to see. Let's try it like this. And I like to start at the tail just because I feel like it kind of thins it out and it gives it more of that ombre powder look. Sorry for the noise, y'all. My daughter is watching Stuart Little. All right, let's see. It's a little bit more noticeable than without anything, but I don't know, y'all. Let's go over it with the bigger one so we can see if we see a difference. Let's see. This is a little bit wider. See if we can notice it better. I want to give this a fair shot, you know. A lot of you guys ask me about when I use these stamps, you know, what keeps them on and whatever. And to be honest with you, I use just moisturizer or a primer. Okay, that's much more noticeable. So maybe it's the shape, but I will say it's more pigmented with the moisturizer. So probably bare skin, it might just brush off, but it seems pretty, you know, it's a little bit of a transfer on my finger, but it seems more pigmented with the little moisturizer. I'm just gonna do the most, and I'm gonna use the little brush just so I can see. Y'all, this mirror is so tiny, but it's so clear. It's a really good mirror. I wish it was larger. I don't know if this is making it look better, but to me, if I gotta do all this, it's really not as time saving, and the purpose of me doing this is to save time. But I will say I do like the fact that this is a powder and not liquid, because I cannot stand those shiny brows, because I'm like, you know, I want it to look like this is my brow hair. And when they're super shiny, of course, you can tell they're not mine. So let's see. It's okay, y'all. It's okay. I like it. I'm going to try it with makeup. I think this might be my stamp I use when I'm doing makeup and not just a natural day. I like the powderness, but if I'm going to do a powder brow, I'd rather just do it myself without a stencil. So I'm going to go put on this half of my face, and then I'll be back. Also, if you watched my last video with the lashes, these are those same lashes. So we're about 4 days in, and they're still in. I did lose one right here. But other than that, they're still here. So if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it up here for you guys. All right, y'all. So I put a little bit of primer and a little bit of foundation on this side of my face. Just a little bit, just so we can try this out. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my little brow stencil, and let's get to it. Let's see how this one is coming out. Get out my makeup, girl. Hello. Get out of my makeup. All right, so I'm just gonna pat this on. Let's see how this one looks. I think it looks way better on the makeup side. It's a little, I don't know, maybe I might have accidentally tilted it. But if you're me, or I'm going to flip my camera around so y'all can see this better, but I definitely think this brow looks better than this brow. So let me flip my camera so y'all can get a better view. Hold on. All right, so I'm in my bathroom. I feel like the makeup just, it gives it a better foundation. So, I mean, it doesn't look terrible on this eye, but I definitely feel like this eye looks way better. I'm gonna go out in the natural light too so you guys can see what it looks like there. All right, so here I am in the natural light and you guys can see what it looks like right here. I think I like it, but I definitely feel like MADLUV stamp is my go-to for no makeup. And then this would definitely be my go-to for makeup because I love the look it gives me with makeup. Sorry about that, Stuart Little. I'm gonna go back in my room. All right, so the moral of the story, guys. I'm in my room. I really could have done natural light in here. The moral of the story is it's a yes. I definitely recommend it. The brown is a little reddish. Next time I might go one shade darker because my hair is so dark now. But if I still had my hair light, I would definitely keep this color. But I would say yes, y'all. It's a yes for me. Definitely rating this like a 9 out of 10. Definitely, this is a keeper. So I'll make sure I leave the link to this in the description box. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.